Hi fellas, welcome to UTAS. As we know, UTAS is a tool for coaching and business where we can convert our followers into loyal customers. Today, we're gonna do an application tour to explore and see how UTAS features work. Let's get started. First thing first, as always, Home menu. The Home menu has a primary function to change settings on your UTAS profile page. You can decide whether to display the features on your profile by switching them on or off. Profile settings is for an avatar, profile name, and so on. Contact to set how your potential customers reach you. Links, for sure, you can insert every link you have here. Consultation, switch it on if you want to display your consultation button. Feed, it shows your content. If you switch this off, your profile will display a list of buttons. Push notification, it's better to let it on, so your guests will get a subscription pop-up when they visit your profile page. Mailer, do you need an email form on your profile? Just switch it on. Store info to set up your digital product. And last, the theme and layout to make your profile more eye-catching. You can set the color button, your profile layout, and customize your background. Then we'll go to Order menu. Your digital product order will be reported here. Next, the Consultation menu. After synchronizing your account to Google Calendar, you can start a consultation session. In this tab, you can see the list of your consultation history and your next consultation. You can make several topics of consultation, and your audiences are free to choose which topic they want. Last, the settings. You can set your availability here, so the audience can choose the consultation schedule that matches yours. You can set up a consultation link and embed code to put it on your website. Furthermore, you can customize your follow-up email or let it be by default. Let's move to the product menu. You can sell your digital product here. Simple, just type the title and description. Then upload the photo, done. How about the pricing? There are two options. You set the price, or the customers choose how much they will pay. Set as you wish. And of course, don't forget the product. You can choose whether to upload the product by yourself or use redirection. If necessary, you can set the post time, then save. After successfully posting the product or content, you will find some action buttons. Hide if you want to hide your product or content. Edit to change some details on the product or content. And share to view the link of your post or checkout page. Also, if you want to make a voucher, you can set it in the voucher submenu here. Okay, let's go to the post menu. This is the place for your content or post. When posting content, you can also make a direct link post. It will redirect your audience to another link or platform as they want. It's easy to make. Just write your title, description, upload the image, and insert the link. You can also schedule its post date and expiration date, plus set the short URL. Otherwise, you can use an opt-in form from UTAS or HTML. For UTAS, type your title, description, image, call to action, then publish it. Or else, if you use HTML form, paste the HTML code in the blank field. Here we are, in the audience menu. This menu contains all features to connect to your audiences. First, mailer. Use it to blast or send bulk emails to your customer easily. Make sure you have enough balance of uCredit. Click Compose, write your email, and send it. Next, push notification. This feature can broadcast notification directly to your subscriber's browser. Then, the list menu to see your subscriber or customer list. And next part for your advanced need, the analytic menu. This menu provides data like your sales conversion, popular posts, push notification, and mail subscribers. You can analyze them to optimize your business. Next, the store menu. Here you can find store settings, store information, payments, and categories. If you need settings for transaction fees to be charged by the user or customer, or even your thank you page setting, you can set them here. The following menu is a funnel menu. In this menu, you can set an offering funnel for your product. easy way to upsell and cross-sell your product for maximizing your product sales. First, indeed, add a new funnel, then type your funnel name. Select the trigger product, then set the offer. Done. So easy. Alongside, there is a theme menu. You can create your theme access here. Hereafter, the integration menu. You can set your custom domain or integrate channel and platform here. Lastly, we can see there is the uCredit menu here. uCredit is an UTAS credit. Let's say it's a power source to send a broadcasting email and push notification. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for walking through the application with us. Now you are ready to increase your earnings. You got this. If you need any help, reach us on chat box in UTAS app or email to support@utas.co. We are ready 24 hours to help you.